Hello, my name is Cheol Kim. Today we're going to discuss about the cervical cancer. Nowadays, people living in this world, like a modern society, there are many people having like cervical cancer. However, today we're going to focusing about how we can treat this kind of serious disease. Wouldn't say we can cure, but we make the symptom better. We make the whatever the situation, we'll try to help out or aid for serious condition get better. And we had divided several types of body type. Why they have related with the cervical cancer, how we can be treated, and that focusing, I'm trying to explain explanation today. Okay, this is all Chinese letter, but I'm gonna interpret for this. 간헐기체. This is simply is a stress. Okay. Okay. Let's say about people having stressful lifestyle, anxiety, worry, thinking, a lot of stress out, and then they have easily get angry. Their characteristic I'm talking about, and also their body feel like not right feeling, something not the pain, but something very uncomfortable kind of a feeling they have. So this is all related with the stress. So when they have for that, and we put a 시호소간산, this formulation is get rid of stress and having more good influencing for the liver function. People have angry, people have worry too much, definitely is damaging or weakening for the liver function. When the liver function weak, and it is related with the female part of the like a uterus, so then the uterus not having healthy status, so ultimately causing like a cancer. So our oriental medicine always thinking about the organ and then yin and yang balance. Yeah, so that's very important. Today, I also telling about all the body type, why they having a cervical cancer. Some people, they don't have it, okay? And second thing is a 혈내저. This is a stagnation. What I mean is a stag, especially blood, okay? There is a lot of reason blood stagnation, okay? The people having like a stagnation condition, the color is more dark color, especially on tongue and the face. Even the white people, the color is not really great because of the healthy people have a more shiny and more better looks. But no matter Asian, the Western people, the color is something darker than normal. That we say about blood stagnation. And they have sometimes characteristic is extremely anger, sometimes irresistible, like characteristic. That all relate with the blood circulation, causing ultimately stagnation. And they have a discharging like a color, white or reddish color, and sometimes smell comes out. The reason is poor circulation. That is related. Okay. So then we put a formulation 소복주거탕. This is a lot of time and tonify for the blood, and then having more clear for the for the blood status. And another thing is the severe odor. This is like dampness, okay? And heat. that producing is a toxin, okay? Heat and toxin. Okay. This is also related with the food, and the lifestyle is not really right, and ultimately causing poor status about too much having condition like dampness and heat. Dampness, heat sometimes causing toxin. The Oriental medicine, we always are thinking about the balance, but if too much dampness, too much heat, is really no good. So this is more like discharging a lot, and sometimes smell like a fish, and sometimes bitter taste, and we're using Hwangbaek Hedok Tang. This formulation is like clear for the heat, clear for the dampness, and clear for the toxin. So we so much consider in this case, and then the pretty much dampness, heat, and toxin. Why they have people like this? Because of too much junk food and too much anger and too much poor exercise. So many reasons. Maybe the gene too, and their family, their parents, same like this, and then they inherit it. There are so many reasons. However, no matter what condition, if you, the patient having more thinking clever way, they might having more better condition, and so that in the future they might prevent some terrible like cervical cancer. Not even for that, even more horrible disease, you might be prevented. Okay. Number 4 is a damsup haju. This is more like a thick dampness. Okay. Thick dampness. Okay. So this is most likely people love meat lover, and then they like fried food and pre-processed food, preserved food, something like a junk. When they eat long period of time, our body, human being body, getting worse, and then change very poor condition, having more obesity, and also very poor condition. People having all the time I feel like a headache, and then I have a heaviness on my head, and and having also tiredness. They complaining like that. So then we formulation Ijin Tang. So Ijin Tang is like Baekchul, Bongyong, Dangsam, Gamcho. So this is basically get rid of a dampness so that people get better. So right now I'm talking about the body type. People too much stress is related with the cervical cancer. People have too much stagnation, okay? And that also cervical cancer influencing the having cervical cancer. Also the the too much dampness heat, no matter what situation, if you have that also influencing cervical cancer. And also number 4 is a dampness. Dampness also, too much junk food, too much meat lover, also, influencing. So you are the one actually responsibility having like a cervical cancer. So please be careful and thinking, and those kind of things are really important to have a good body condition. Anyhow, number 5 is liver kidney insufficiency. Liver, kidney, in, shu. So I always saying about the yin and yang. Yin is essential for that. Shu is her is like low. So when in low, and there is always a slight heat comes out, especially liver, kidney, in go down, then feel like the knee feel like slightly pain and not comfortable, and sometimes ringing sound in ear, tinnitus, and then 심열 means like you having like slightly wet and heat from the hand, and from the palm of your hand and then bottom of your foot, and that's because of slight heat producing because of the yin goes down. So then we're using Chibek Chihanghan and formulation, And this formulation bring up 25 for the in and then clear for the heat, and so that having a good balance. And another thing is B 신양어. This is a B is a spleen and kidney, yang shu. You know, the yang means warm kind of characteristic is lower. That means yang shu means yang kind of a depleting condition means feel like a cold. So, you know, knee around there is feel like a cold, body feel like a cold. And because of the coldness and the influencing the spleen function, qi low. When the spleen qi low, it causing poor appetite, okay? And then, and tiredness. They're all influencing. So that we using the 보중 이기탕. This is one of the, you know, good tonifying for the spleen and tonify for the qi, and so that having good condition. Now, I'm discussing about the body type, how relate with the cervical cancer, okay? And a lot of time people say, oh, you know, oriental medicine, how they can, you know, treat for the cervical cancer. Let's say I'm saying about this. We don't say we can cure for the cancer, no, but we definitely make a symptom better and good influencing. You also have to have a good diet, good exercise, good like mind control. You know, you only depend like a chemical or chemotherapy and surgery, that's okay. But you also worry about your body condition, making good balance. If you're not, and you know, really, you're gonna have a difficult time. You already have a poor balance, but you don't think about the poor balance, what would you do? And your body is getting more weaker condition. Our oriental medicine, no matter what condition you have, we're making the good balance so that you might having a good result of your health matter, okay? So today I'm discussing about the cervical cancer, but hopefully you're going to have a take care about good body weight, okay? So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can welcome to call to discuss about the this kind of subject. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hello. Okay, my name is Dang Shi. I have a multiple myeloma cancer, and after the chemo treatment, I come over here to ask Dr. Kim for help, and by 1 month, my hemoglobin from 12 points, I don't remember, 12 point something, and that becomes a 14 point something. Now it's a 15.1. That's a very good number. And I also have another problem. My eyes very dry, and after taking the medicine for 1 month, my eyes could open very easily in the morning. Otherwise, I cannot. It's very dry. Almost my eyelids stick to my eyes. And also my hand was cold. When temperature is low, my hand is cold and don't come back to warm for a long time. After 1 month, my hand getting much warmer. I'm really happy and really appreciate Dr. Kim. Give me really great helps. Thank you so much, Dr. Kim.
Thank you. By the way, I have one more question. And your hemoglobin level was very low, and now it went up to 14 and 15.1 because of when you had a cancer, myeloma cancer, and then
at the time the lowest was 10.5.
Wow, that's really low.
Very low.
So now 15.1 is amazingly good. And also, you said about you cannot detect any protein that we can check for the cancer kind of things, but you cannot see any protein comes out for the cancer.
Yes, for this situation is this for the multiple myeloma. You know the drug could control the that, but this they cannot cure. They could only able to control and maintain, but not cure multiple myeloma by Western medicine.
But now you can find the doctor say cannot find for the specific protein that is related with the cancer.
Right.
So you are very happy for that.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So could you tell me the Mandarin language?
Yes, sure. Okay. OK， 我的名字叫做谢栋才。OK， 我有这个multiple myeloma， 中文叫做多发性骨髓瘤。我在化疗的以后呢，我来找 Dr. Kim， 请他帮忙。我来的时候呢，我的这个红血球是10.5，然后现在当他喝他的药1个月之后就是14.1，现在是15.1。OK， 然后呢，我来的时候呢，我眼睛因为吃这个药有很多 side effect， 我眼睛张不开，很干涩，眼睛打不开。然后呢，吃1个月之后，眼睛可以打开，早上可以打开，就很永远没有问题，就好非常非常多。这个还有我的手，因为吃这个治疗癌症的药呢，我手非常冷，天气冷是非常冷，需要很久才会慢慢热起来。也是吃了1个月之后呢，我手就变得比较暖很多，真的我很感谢 Dr. Kim 对我很大的帮忙，真的是这样，谢谢。
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, you came here because of you cannot have a baby almost 3-4 years since you've been married, and then you've been trying a lot of Western treatment, but it's not successful, and you've been very much disappointed, frustrated. Since you come having herbal and with acupuncture, what did happen?
Yeah, so after I started the treatment, because I had the infertility issue and irregular menstrual cycle, right away after 1 month of just herbal and acupuncture together treatment, I was able to regulate my menstrual cycle right away. And within 6 months altogether, I was able to get pregnant. So that's really amazing, because I have went and did a lot of testing from Western medication side, and all they said is there's nothing wrong with me, and if I want to have a period, then they just prescribed me Provera. But other than that, they weren't able to find any reason why I couldn't get pregnant. So we were a little bit hopeless at that point. And then I got recommendation to go to Dr. Kim for treatment, acupuncture and herbal together. And I took the shot, and very glad that I did. It's a miracle for us. And right now I'm 3 months pregnant and very excited and happy. And so far I went to the doctor, everything about the baby is well. So it's a very good sign. So we're just very excited.
Okay, I'm so much happy and congratulations again. And could you tell me the Vietnam language slowly? Your how many years you can have a baby, and then you've been to the lot of Western doctor. It's kind of failed, but after that you have a baby. Some kind of story. Could you tell the Vietnam language, please?
Sure. Tôi đã thử đi bác sĩ ngoại quốc cũng được 3-4 năm nay, từ lúc đám cưới để mà có thể có con. Nhưng bác sĩ Mỹ ngoài trừ nói là giống như là cơ thể không có gì, không có problem, không có cái sự sai lệch gì hết, nhưng họ không hiểu tại sao lại không có thể có con. Thêm một cái nữa là về kinh nguyệt không có đều, giống như 9-10 tháng mới có kinh nguyệt một lần, thì bác sĩ Mỹ cũng không có cách để mà chữa cái này. Sau khi đi bác sĩ Kim để mà chữa thì trong vòng 1 tháng thì kinh nguyệt đều lại hoàn toàn, rất là nhanh. Rồi đến 6 tháng sau thì có thể có em bé, có thai được, thành ra rất là mừng. Và bây giờ có thai được 3 tháng và đi bác sĩ thì tất cả mọi chuyện đều coi như ổn định, với đứa bé cũng có sức khỏe dồi dào, thành ra rất là mừng.
So you are very happy?
Yes, very happy.
Okay. As your mom, I want to ask you, so you are happy? You can say the Vietnam language too.
Tôi rất vui khi thấy con tôi đã thành con, đã có thai.
So
Cảm ơn bác sĩ. Cảm ơn Dr. Kim.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank
Kim.
you, Dr.
Thank
Kim.
you. Hello.
Hi, Dr. Kim.
How are you?
We're fine.
Yeah, your mother has a very serious illness because of she had a lung cancer and then the liver cancer, and she was really serious. And then since she came here almost a little over 2 months, and then could you tell me the progression?
Yes, when we first found out she had lung cancer a few months ago, yeah, she had all this chronic pain. She had chronic pain. She couldn't sleep, couldn't really eat, couldn't swallow. She had a tough time, her bowel movement, constipation. So we came here and we started taking your medicine and doing the acupuncture here. I mean, all the symptoms, you know, the pain, the eating, she could swallow now. I mean, her energy level is much better. You know, she sleeps real good at night. It's amazing, you know, the big difference. It's truly a blessing, and she seems like she's keep on getting stronger and stronger. Yeah, and
Yeah, that's great. But you know, I see the lung size. I mean, the cancer size was almost orangey.
oh yeah, the tumor, it was wow, it was like big, like a almost like a small grapefruit size. Now it's down to like a small lemon.
Oh yeah.
Big difference. Yeah,
Yeah.
the tumor is shrinking left and right.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So yeah, could you tell me about the Vietnam language?
Lúc bọn tôi tới đây á, má tôi bị ung thư kỳ thứ tư. Bà ăn được, ngủ không được, nhức đầu, cái mụn nó to. Lúc tới đây uống thuốc của ông này á, Dr. Kim á, đỡ nhiều lắm. Cái cục nó nhỏ xuống, ăn được, ngủ được, nhúc được, đi số 1 được, số 2 được. Thuốc này cũng tốt lắm. Dạ, cảm ơn.
Yeah. So did you tell how big size was that?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, almost the orange size gone.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna talk to you about your symptoms. So could you tell me Vietnam language? It's been changed. Could you speak up a little bit louder and then tell all the symptoms you have?
Lúc tôi mới đến chỗ Dr. Kim đây do người bạn giới thiệu thì tôi là bị ung thư phổi cũng tương đối, và là có cái hạch ở trong bụng á, nó nổi lên, nó to như quả cam á. Thế người mệt, không ăn không uống, ngủ được. Thế nhưng mà khi tôi uống thuốc của ông Dr. Kim ấy, mấy Acupuncture, cái châm cứu của ông ấy rồi thì tôi thấy đỡ nhiều lắm. 2 tháng rồi thì bây giờ là cái hạch á thì nó đã xuống còn có nó xuống chỉ còn có như là nửa quả chanh thôi. Còn trước nó như là cả quả trái cam lớn á. Thì bây giờ cũng nhờ thuốc của ông ấy cho tôi. Thành ra tôi uống cứ thấy tiếp tục mà ăn được, ngủ được, rồi đi lại được, người đỡ mệt nhiều, và mọi thứ đều tốt.
Yeah, can I see your belly to how the size been changed?
Vâng.
Hồi
đó cái kia nó lớn, cái bụng nó lớn, nó to, nó như là một trái cam ấy, thì bây giờ nó nhỏ xuống rồi, mà nó dẹp gần hết rồi.
Before you also almost orange is big,
Yes.
very big, but
Yes.
now it's almost gone.
Yeah, bây giờ nhìn thấy nó gần như đi hết rồi, mà đỡ đau nhiều lắm, không phải xài thuốc đau nữa.
Hồi xài khoảng 4-5 viên thuốc nặng, thuốc painkiller, bây giờ xài có nửa viên rồi, nhiều khi có ngày không xài luôn.
Yeah, so very happy.
Yes.
Vui lắm. Vâng.
Okay, keep it up. So thank you so much.
Vâng, cảm
Thank
ơn
you.
Dr. Kim.